Hey there, quiz enthusiasts! Quiz Universe is back. And today, we're diving deep into everyone's favorite guilty pleasure, junk food. Get ready to put your eagle eyes and snack-savvy brains to the test with 15 rounds of Find the Odd One Out. If you're ready to dive into this delicious challenge, make sure you're subscribed, and let's jump right in. Warm up. Spot the odd hamburger in this group. Too easy, right? Let's keep it rolling. Next up, which one doesn't fit? That one's a little tricky. Emoji decoding time. Guess which food these emojis represent? Got it? Yup, it's a cupcake. Cupcake conundrum. Find the odd cupcake emoji hiding in this batch. Boom! Nailed it. Odd one out time. Let's see if you can spot the different one here. Bingo! Guess the food emoji. This one says bye, but what food does it hint at? French fries. Another round of fries. Spot the odd French fry emoji. Found it yet? See the odd emoji? This one might have you squinting a bit. Too easy, right? Time for a logo hunt. Can you identify the sneaky hidden logo here? Oreo! Gotcha! What's out of place? This emoji looks a little different than the others. Find the sandwich. There's a hidden sandwich among all this food. Found it! Speed round. Who's the quickest to find the odd one out? That's right. It's over here. Tricky challenge alert. The answer here is hot dogs. Would you rather say bye to a hot dog or like this video? Drop your answer in the comments. Memory test. Remember all the positions? Where was the Oreo hiding? Correct. It was under number 5. Thanks for joining today's challenge, Junk Food fans. Let us know your high scores down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the fun. Until next time, keep your eyes sharp and we'll catch you in the next quiz adventure.